Hi, this is Andrea from LSC Digital, and today I'm going to show you how to add a new user to the platform. So while on the home screen, you're going to click the settings icon, user management, and this brings you to the user account screen. From here, you want to click create user account. Okay, now you can enter all your information. It should be known that when you do create your username, you should have it set up and formatted as an email address. All right, so here you can choose to have your own password made for you, or you can type in your own password. For this tutorial, I'm going to have a password generated. Now, if you choose to have a password generated, make sure you select email password to the user. Here, if you have API access, you can also choose to not have your password expire once you create your temporary password. I'm going to continue to fill in your information. All right, so by default, the role that you see here is standard user. I'm going to set this user up as an org admin. You also see that there's a reporting only user. So org admins has complete access to the platform. They can create users, they can do everything within the platform, whereas reporting only users has access to just reports, and standard users are more flexible. They're not exactly org admin users, but you can choose what permissions to give a standard user. Here you want to put in the email address so that this user will receive notifications. And here you want to finish up by putting in the name of the user, the user's email address, and you can keep the same from address and reply to address to be the same. And once you're done, you click save. And we're going to go back to our user account just to make sure that user is set up correctly. And here they are. It should be known that if once you create a user, you can also click back into that user to make any changes and edits. Okay, and this concludes our tutorial on how to add a new user to the platform. Who is LSC Digital? Everything we do is backed by our quality data, meticulously collected and updated frequently by our team of experts. When you partner with LSC, you have your own team of experts who work with you to plan and execute all the steps of an effective program, from strategy and audience selection to content development and promotion. Our team delivers campaigns that appeal to and connect with your target customers. This is an intersection of data and strategy that brings results.